crib. Oh, and look what was waiting on me. We're finna go and do an unboxing review, man. It's finna go down in a major way, buddy. Y'all ready for this? Stay tuned. Inside the Grind 365. Look at that, boom. You tuned in with Inside the Grind 365. All right, man, today is a good day. We just got our first shipment coming in from the warehouse. I ain't gonna tell y'all about my plug, so I ain't gonna spill the beans. But anyway, so check it out. Best part about this is, I don't know what it is, but I got all these boxes and I'm about to open them up. So y'all are tuned in to the first ever open box review with Inside the Grind 365. So here we go. Got the first box. We're gonna pop it open, see what we got in here. Alright, so I done watched some of these YouTube videos before, watching people doing their little open boxes, and seems like all of them is pretty satisfied with the product they received. So hopefully I can have the same luck. So here we go. Got a bunch of good stuff right there to keep the packages sturdy. Alright, I don't know what that is. I'll look at it in a minute. So let's see. First box says Scipio. Alright, so we'll open that up just to see what it is. Like I say, I don't know nothing about none of these products. I know that they're supposed to be top of the line. Good stuff. Okay, so we open that up. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like phone cases. 4 Galaxy S9. So that's pretty new, popular phone just came out. So there you go. So that's first. Got that right there. All right. Here go another box. Scipio. Now y'all can look online to see how much this stuff normally run you. So we got another one. Cool little. This one is for a new iPhone. Not sure, it don't say the name, but I guess this box is, okay, that's all the same thing. Okay, so anyway. Alright, cool. So then y'all see this in the original factory conditioning. So that's a plus. So that makes it a lot easier to sell, resell. Alright, so we got this box. Let's look and see what this is. Like some kind of something that, okay, I don't know. Look at that. Whoa, okay. It's a jewelry holder. Huh. Okay. Pretty nice little product. You like that? Yeah, I figured that. Okay. So like I say, they send a variety of different things. Now this is just one box. And I never reveal how much I invested. I don't like to say paid, I like to say investment, because you know you're gonna make the money back. So here go a couple of those. I'm assuming they're the same thing. Did it stop? Oh. Alright, so here we go. Let's get down to this one. Alright. So this, alright. Oh man, I know my little boy gonna love this. So here we go, brand new. Oh, wow. Look at this. Y'all see that? Brand new, still in the box with the factory seal, and this is all brand new product. Yo, this is insane. Insane. Bro, we ain't even got through one box yet. Alright, so that's an M1 stereo headphone. Look at this. They wireless, yeah. Bluetooth hooked up to, yeah. So, alright, so here we go. Put that back in there. Get her open. Well, don't get her on camera. So what's that? Chargers, earbuds. Oh, okay. Yeah, we go in this thing. Got a bunch of earbuds y'all see down in there. Just a whole bunch of them. Like, good quality, man. See that? Y'all see that? Brand new. In the seal. Not even open. I mean, you can't beat it. I mean, this is all brand new merchandise. All right, so in this box we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of headphones in this box right here. All right, so just to give you a little insight, we got 2 of those.
I just bought them one
open
of those.
box review. Come in here, look in here.
Wow.
Look in there. You ready?
Yeah.
Boom. Pow.
Wow.
Look at this, yo. Amazing.
Wow.
Yo, this is insane.
This one.
Yeah, they all probably need air in them. Look at this. Oh, yo.
Wow.
This was when they was the New Orleans Hornets.
Wow.
Yo, this is like a limited edition basketball. They don't even make this. This is when Charlotte Hornets moved to New Orleans. Now they the Pelicans. So this a real, I think I'm gonna keep this. Yeah. So.
No, I kind of want to know those boxes. What are those for?
Boy. Huh? You going on 3 minutes? Oh no, that's cool. Cause I can edit.
I'll be starting another video.
Huh?
I'll be starting another video.
Oh. Got a Cleveland Cavaliers basketball. Just gotta put some air in it. I mean, hey, you know, good quality merch, man. Good quality merch. I mean, you see, we got biking shorts. You know what I'm saying? Boom. All right. So, yo, that's only 2 boxes, yo. And if y'all can see, we got plenty more stuff to go through. Man, I can't believe it. All right, so here we go. We got another package. This is got 3 boxes in one. So
is this one order?
I can always close zippers when you do it. All right, let's open this up. See what we got. Oh, okay. Ah, look at that there. Ah, they got E on them. Some of them got, what letter is that? A B. So I guess it's A, B, C, D, E, or whatever, how that goes. All right. Okay. Here we go.
I'm gonna do it on
Like it's a bunch of them things. So overall, I think we got a good shipment, variety of supplies in. Things I think it makes some good money off of. And you know, I'll come back with another review on what I think I could possibly make off of this shipment of supplies. So y'all stay tuned. Inside the Grind 365 coming at you. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to let you know we appreciate you guys checking out the first ever open box review with Inside the Grind 365. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and like, share, comment. We'll see you guys on the next review. Oh, what's going on, everybody? Just want to give a big shout out to my man Bob over at OEM Expert. What we're doing is it wouldn't be possible. Anybody that's dealing with OEM Experts, man, make sure you look up my boy Bob up there, bro. He gonna take care of you. You know what I'm saying? Just doing my first shipment. highly impressed with the product. I couldn't ask for better customer service. Check out my boy Bob, OEM Experts. If you ain't rocking with Bob, you ain't trying to get no money, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm about to get back to work, get back to pumping this product, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate everything, bro. Stay up. Get with you in a minute. Yo.